キムさん面白い車発見。セラ、トヨタのセラだよね。以前試乗させてもらった車だと思ってたんだけど違うんだよね。ラッピングされててもっと黒い車が紫になってるんだけどかっこいい車だよね。ガードウィングでかっこいいんで、これは今ダラス近辺で自分で見た中ではこれ2代目なんですよね。まだまだ2代目なんで。
I agree with it.
Thank you, thank you. todo. Thanks, man. この車なんで人気なんです。2代目なかなかでもね見かけないので、だからこそ面白いんで面白いです。懐かしいトラックが出ました。これドゥアリーだよね。あっちゃんがもう乗ってるドゥアリーなんだけど、珍しいのはまず年式からいくと何年だろうな。これは80年代のものだと思うんですが、2ドアシングルキャブ短くて、で後ろにドゥアリー。これのツートンの色とこのモール、このミラー、やっぱり面白いのはこれシエラクラシックなんだけれどもキャンパースペシャルだよね。このトラックでトレーラーを引っ張ったり、もしかしたら昔上にキャンパーがついてたような感じもしますよね。なかなか見ないこういうトラックはアメリカで今ねものすごい高いんですよ。ドゥアリー自体が高いんだけど、こういう2ドアのシングルキャブのドゥアリーってあんまり見ないからこそ高い人気がある。これはすごい味わってないですか？かっこいいよね。かっこいい。240SX なのかな。随分改造されてるんだよな。ボンネットもカーボンで、フェンダーも書いてあるんだよな。ホイールもかっこいいよね。似合ってるよね。These are good looking wheels.
Yeah, they are. I like those.
Design on this. This car's got a lot of stuff going on.
I like those a lot.
Carbon hood, nice aftermarket fenders. Check out the reflective tint.
I see that.
Right there, hang on a second. Let me check my teeth. わー、コーキーだよね。クリスプコーキー。クッキーじゃないよね。わー、that's cool.
Oh, wow.
なかなか面白いよね。
Whoa.
Nice job with that, huh? Whatever wrap that is or whatever. That's kind of cool.
That is wild.
あ、すごいよな。これ、キムさん、これ面白いでしょ。240SS。SS。I wonder if this thing's got a Chevy motor in it. ね、日本エンジンが違うんじゃないかって。 SS っていうのはなんかアメ車のエンジンが積んである臭いところあるんだよね。こういうのもあると
LS。
ナイスナイス。すごい発見したんです。キムさんの後ろに見てください。もうスペックの 240Z S30 のこの色じゃないですか。やっぱりアメリカで日本ではどうかわかんないんだけど、この色が人気だったんですよ。レモンライブっていうのかな。もう L24 のエンジンに日立 SU のキャブ、全く純正のオリジナルのもうスペックのホイールカバーまではそのままオリジナルなものなんですよね。売りに出てるらしいので、希望値段は覗きましょうか。ちょっと見てみましょう。すごい程度がいい綺麗な車なんでピカピカですよね。ほら皆さん、$65,500、日本円にするとそうだよ750万円ぐらいじゃないでしょうか。そこまで上がってきた車です。本当にそんなに昔ではない話なんですが、この車多分$2万台、$1万台、$2万台だったんだけど、急にこの5、6年、10年ぐらいかな、急に上がりました。すごい貴重な、もう高いことなんですが、綺麗な車ですよね。完璧です。中覗きましょう。中はね、ダッシュからもうシフトまでデフロスター付きのすごい程度のいい 240Z ですよね。そしてあと俺が詳しくないんだけど、なんか車種によって車両によってこの縦のデフロストと横のデフロストの違いがあるらしいんだけどね。前期が 横だったのか、それかこの縦なのかな、後でこう横になったっていう、だからそういう違いがあるらしいので、詳しく分かんないんだけど、もし分かる方がいればぜひコメントの方に残しておいてください。いい車ですよ。これもかわいい。ほら、かわいいバッパレット、すごいおしゃれ。そして72年1972年のテキサスナンバーはまだついてるのはなんか味わってますね。軽量この車。ZX だよね。これは全くオリジナルな車らしいんだけれども、綺麗な色だよね。これはまだ光っている6万マイルは9万キロぐらいかな。アメリカの中にある車としてこんな古いもの、本当にもう走行距離だよね。全く走ってないと同じなんです。同様の中も覗きましょう。この中を本当にもう新車と変わらない感じの程度のいい車ですよね。 Z ですよね。さっきオーナーさんと話したんだけど、ちなみにこの車の値段が Kim, you got an idea how much this one might be?
A lot.
Wanna take a guess?
20,000.
24,500ドル、300万円前後ですかね。この程度ではそのぐらいはするのかな。どんどん高くなってきたんだけど、もうただ5、6年前にあんなことは多分一切もう想像さえもつかない値段なんだけど、このぐらい上がってきました。すげえかっこいいよな。Isn't that cool?
That is awesome.
Look at how beautiful this car is.
Dude, I can win my reflection.
すごいよ。これは可愛いじゃない？全くオリジナルなのかな。こんなに細かったっけ？2本、1と2、金さん4本だし。4本だし。4 exhausted。もう狭くて、もう細くて可愛いけど、4本だしですよ、4本だし。いいな、オリジナル車。かっこいいよ。これはもう、2 thumbs up ですね。GTO じゃない？
Stealth.
That's the stealth. He's got the stealth. It's the GTO ダッジのステルスだよね。いいな。
Twin turbo too.
これは2代目の車、10何歳の時に、これの1年前の65年、1965年のオーズモビール442ですよね。いい車。See you, bro! サムズアップの友達が出ました。What's up, guys? How you doing? Give me that thumbs up. Whoa, that is cool. Thumbs up, man. How about you got thumbs up for me too?
Okay.
Let me. Whoa, what kind of car is that? That's a Lamborghini. Lamborghini. Nice. I like it. Wait a minute. Do you know what kind of car this is? What kind of car is that?
Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini. Got it. Nice. Give you thumbs up. Cool. All right, guys. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. Who are you? Hey, where are you? Ivan!
I've been around, man.
Ivan はどこにいたんだろう。今もう帰りの時はね、出てくるのは。What, were you still digesting all that Japanese food from that?
Yeah.
You were, huh?
It was good.
And some Japanese sake, huh?
That sake was amazing. It doesn't kick in until you make it home.
that and the wiener.
The wiener.
All right, Ivan.
I'll see you, man.
Okay, man. Have a good day.
All right, see you.
Ivan, performance up. いやー、でもね、今日楽しい。じゃあこれから朝ごはん食べに行こうか。Kim, you ready for some breakfast soon?
Yeah, dude, I'm starving.
But you know what though? Where was Thomas?
I don't know. I actually saw him at the beginning. I didn't see him after that.
トマスが来るっていうことだったのに、なんで来ないんだろうな。キムさん、信じられない。すげー。トマスじゃないの？トマスが来た。Oh, Thomas! Dude, what are you... Dude! Where'd you get this thing?
Florida.
Florida? Florida?
Yep.
Don't, dude, wait a minute. Did you drive this thing from Florida?
In a very long pattern, yes.
Soil! How many miles? 1,500 miles in a K car with the family and all this stuff in it.
No problem, Japanese man.
Dude, you got balls bigger than the state of Texas. You know that? We gotta check this car out, man. Park over there. We gotta see this thing. Thomas, okay, did we have some influence on you guys since you've moved here?
A little bit.
A little bit. Did our North Texas K group get to you a little bit?
You know, cars are about two things. The cars and the people.
And the people,
Yeah.
and all the fun we have with them, huh?
Absolutely.
Can I tell you guys, you're always having fun. You're a fun family, of course. But you look like you're in this car. Look at the smile on Ashley's face. Like she can't stop smiling.
She loves it.
You can't help but smile when you, right? It makes you happy, right?
Yep.
Small good thing. What do they say? The expression "good thing come in small packages." So how'd you find this thing?
Orlando, our house in Orlando, I was looking for some down there, and one of the dealerships had one there. So,
This is a Subaru Vivio,
yep,
and this is an all-wheel drive,
Yep.
supercharged.
yep.
Wow, and you drove this thing 1,500 miles or
From
so.
Orlando up to the Panhandle, up the state to visit my dad, then across Alabama through back roads, through everything, and
And how'd she do?
very good.
You made, how many hours were you on the road, man? In a K car. A whole family in a K car on the road from
18
Florida.
I don't know how he did it.
17 or 18 hours.
I don't know how he did it.
Dude, you are nuts. That's how he did it. He had fun the whole way.
Did you have the speedometer just pegged the whole time?
I sent you pictures.
He got pictures. 7,500 RPMs. He's got how many? 81,000 kilometers. Only about 50 some odd thousand miles on
I
this
had
thing.
78 when I bought
And
it.
you already put 3,000. You just bought it. You put 3,000 kilometers on the road.
A month ago. Yeah.
Wow, dude. I'm so happy for you. This is perfect. Hey, Kim, guess who's gonna be on the North Texas K Rally with us next time? I got an idea.
I think I know.
I got an idea.
I know.
We got one happy family on it, and you got air conditioning.
Oh yeah.
He got air conditioning. Woo! Not me.
Not me.
Nice.
Aw. Wait a minute.
Nice.
Hang on. 3 discs.
Whoa.
3 discs?
CD
change?
changer. The 8cm single CD は使用しないでください. Don't use the small CDs in here is what he's telling you right here. Wow.
Oh, the mini disc.
By the way, too, you know what I really like about
Yeah.
this car? Is your old school J antennas up here. He got the cool antennas, right? これだよ、キムさん。見て、これ昔のパナソニックの、これナビだったのか、テレビだったのかなのアンテナなんでかっこいいよ。このウィングもなかなかいいんじゃないこれは。かっこいいよ。スバルって感じ。キムさん、俺が一番好きなところはここ。やっぱり
Supercharged.
やっぱりここにこのエアダクトがあることがかっこいいよね、スーパーチャージャー用に。それとやっぱりさすがにスバルでっかいフォーグランプがすごくいいんだよね。すごくいい。いいね、トマスたちは。おめでとうございます。All right, Thomas. Little car and big salad today, huh? Is that the theme? Nancy?
Loaded potato.
Little car, small little potato.
Little bit loaded.
Looks very good. Ashley, you too?
Same thing.
God, I gotta tell you something. Nancy gave me. Can I have another taste of that? That was so good. Where's my spoon that I have?
Little but loaded.
There's
I
it.
like that.
A little but loaded. You like it? Let's see. Looking in the camera. This is good. これ美味しいよ. That is really,
Very good.
really good.
Very
Potato, bacon, cheese. And Kim, guess what we did today? Our favorite
Oh,
at
yeah.
Potbelly's. Mama's meatballs right here.
Oh,
That
that looks so good.
It is good, Kim.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Loving those. Kim? The steakhouse.
Like, yes.
Steakhouse.
Yes.
That sounds good.
Ooh. Look at that.
Oh man, steakhouse, huh?
Wow.
Not a Mama Meatball, but steakhouse. Okay.
And I'm eating a salad.
I want to see you bite into that
It's
thing.
not cut down
Yeah,
the
usually the meat man is on a salad today.
I have to.
Mr. Meat, small cars, big salads. That's the new theme.
Trying to make everything smaller.
It's not cut down the middle.
Oh, all right, go big mouth. Big mouth.
I'll go this way.
Nice. Good job. Guys, very happy for you. Congratulations on the new car. And by the way, too, we have a second congratulations, Kim. Do you know what else is new for them this week? Take a guess. What is Stevie been out doing? Working hard.
What? For real?
Congratulate them on their new house as well. Congratulations. And new car, new house, and some other new stuff we won't talk about. Thumbs up, guys. Have a great day.